Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This stock 2019 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with only 1,996 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes well equipped with a multifunction 4-speaker stereo system, navigation, cruise control, traction control, ABS, CB intercom connections, an onboard computer, and reverse. Powered by a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 V-twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the TRIGLIDE offers plenty of power with 121 foot-pounds of torque on tap. If you're looking for a factory trike with comfortable amenities, the TRIGLIDE would be a great option. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. This vehicle has received our premium service and detail and comes covered under a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.